Hey everyone, today I'm going to share some of the most unbelievable facts about the United States that will absolutely blow your mind. Some of these are so crazy that you might think they're fake, but they're 100% real. So sit back, relax and get ready for 10 of the most shocking facts about America you've never heard before. Fact 1. There's a town in Alaska called Barrow where people experience something truly unbelievable. For about 65 days in winter, the sun never rises above the horizon. The entire town lives in complete darkness for more than 2 months. But that's not all. During summer, the opposite happens. For almost 80 days straight, the sun never sets, and people live in constant daylight. Imagine eating dinner at midnight with the sun still shining outside. It's one of the most fascinating natural phenomena in the world. Fact 2. In California's Death Valley, there's a mysterious place called the Racetrack Playa, where massive rocks weighing hundreds of pounds move across the dry desert floor all by themselves, leaving long trails behind them. For decades, no one could explain this mystery. Scientists later discovered that it happens when a thin layer of ice forms overnight, and when the sun melts it during the day, wind pushes the rocks slowly across the ground. But even after knowing the reason, watching those rocks move on their own looks like pure magic. Fact 3. Las Vegas, Nevada is known for its lights, luxury and nightlife. But did you know that it's also known as the wedding capital of the world? Every single day around 300 weddings take place there. That's over 100,000 weddings every year. From celebrity weddings to quick chapel ceremonies, people come from all over the world to get married in Vegas. It's the only city where you can meet an Elvis impersonator, get married in 15 minutes and celebrate your honeymoon, all in one night. Fact 4. There's a town in Pennsylvania called Centralia that has been burning underground for more than 60 years. In 1962, a coal mine fire started beneath the town and it's still burning today. The fire caused the ground to crack open, releasing smoke and toxic gases. Almost every resident had to leave the town, and now it's completely abandoned. Roads are split open, and smoke still rises from the cracks. It looks like a ghost town straight out of a horror movie, but it's real, and it's still burning beneath the surface. Fact 5. In Arizona, there's a strange law that says you can't let a donkey sleep in a bathtub. Sounds funny, right? But this law actually has a true story behind it. Back in 1924, a rancher's donkey used to sleep in an old bathtub. One night, a heavy flood swept the bathtub, with the donkey still inside miles away down the valley. It took rescuers hours to save the poor animal. After that, the town passed a law banning donkeys from sleeping in bathtubs. And believe it or not, that law still exists today. Fact 6. Montana is one of the least populated states in the US, but it has more cows than people. For every person living there, there are about 3 cows. So if you drive through rural Montana, you're more likely to see cows grazing in open fields than humans walking around. Agriculture, especially cattle farming, is one of the biggest parts of Montana's economy. It's one of the few places in America where nature truly dominates. Fact 7. The smallest park in the world is in Portland, Oregon. It's called Mill Ends Park, and it's just 2 feet wide. It started as a small hole meant for a light pole, but when the pole never arrived, a local journalist decided to plant flowers there instead, calling it a park for leprechauns. What began as a joke became world famous, and now it's officially recognized by the Guinness World Records as the world's smallest park. Tourists from all over the world visit just to see this tiny green spot in the middle of the city. Fact 8. There's a town in Oregon called Boring. Yes, that's its real name. But here's the fun part. It's partnered with a town in Scotland called Dull. Together they're known as the Dull and Boring Partnership. They even celebrate a Dull and Boring Day every year. What started as a joke between the two towns became a unique friendship that shows Americans truly know how to turn humor into something memorable. Fact 9. Niagara Falls, one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world, can actually freeze during extreme winter. When the temperature drops far below freezing, parts of the massive waterfall turn into thick layers of ice, creating breathtaking ice sculptures. The sound of the rushing water turns into a low rumble as the flow slows down. People from all over the world visit during this time to witness the frozen wonder. It's nature's way of showing off pure beauty and power at the same time. Fact 10. In Florida, there's something truly unique, an underwater post office. Yes, you heard that right. Located in a place called Vanuatu, Divers can actually mail waterproof postcards from below the surface of the sea. The cards are specially designed to handle water pressure, and postal workers in diving gear collect them. It's not just a tourist attraction, it's a fully functional post office. It's one of the coolest examples of how creative and fun American tourism can be. So which of these facts did you find the most unbelievable? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more amazing facts about the USA that you've never heard before.